Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay and I'm the account manager here at Aptus. I am going to introduce you to our CEO, Narendran Muralidharan. We call him Naru, and he's going to give us some insight on what we do here at Aptus.
Hi, James and I started Aptus back in 2017 because we wanted to work on projects that we thought were fun. Being structured as a think tank allows us to grow a really strong team and develop cutting-edge solutions. Aptus specializes in custom artificial intelligence software. We build programs that identify useful information from images or big data and make appropriate responses. Some examples of these programs include software that makes medical assessments based on X-rays or MRIs, 3D model reconstruction programs, document management programs, indexers, and more. We work in a lot of industries: aerospace, defense, medical, legal, consumer electronics. We pride ourselves on the ability to solve complex problems regardless of the context. Our team of physicists, mathematicians, engineers, and developers provide a unique and well-rounded perspective on these problems. Our lead developer, Clay, will explain one of the projects we've worked on.
One of my favorite projects since I started here at Aptus in 2018 was an AI solution we developed for Phoenix Spinal Joint here in the Valley. We were tasked with developing a medical assessment and clinical aiding tool that uses a patient's hip x-rays to suggest whether or not they need a total hip replacement surgery. We achieved this by developing software that used deep learning to identify a patient's femoral head and pelvic side. Using the boundaries created by the AI algorithm, we were able to compare the joint space profile of the image to people with normal joint space profiles and people that ended up needing surgery. That comparison allowed us to determine whether or not a particular patient needed the surgery.
We've worked on many different projects like that because we enjoy it and because we know we're serving the community.